everyone! Today's episode is going to be spicy. You know why? Because we are going to review the Teaspoon Club. Conscious spices delivered to your door. Everything is delivered to your door nowadays. Everything.
Delivered. Brilliantly delivered straight to my door and delivers them straight to your door in a minimal packaging to be posted through your letterbox.
Including yours truly, Project Curitas. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below so I can visit you every week. So, what's so special about the Teaspoon Club? That's a good question. Thank you for asking. First, the Teaspoon Club delivers their spices in environmentally friendly packaging that can be recycled and composted. But I'm not talking just about the cardboard packaging. All of the spices within the box are packaged individually in a plant-based packaging called Nature Flex. Remember Nature Flex?
Nature Flex is a byproduct of wood pulp. The way that you can tell Nature Flex compared to plastic is if you scrunch them both up and you let them go, plastic will always bounce back after the scrunch test, whereas Nature Flex stays where it is.
Second, they sell fresh and ethically sourced spices in the exact amounts you need, so your spices don't go to waste after a few years sitting on a shelf. Cause let's be honest, we have all been there. You buy loads of spices for that one dish you want to cook, and then hasta la vista baby, but you're never vista your baby again. Do you? And last but not least, for every order placed, the Teaspoon Club plants a tree in a country where the spices come from. Circular economy, baby, circular economy. The box I have here is their vegan dinner selection box. The box I have here is their vegan dinner selection box, but they also have a curry spice selection box, Indian spice selection box, and many others which you can check out on their website. Now back to the vegan box. Inside we have a number of spices including cumin seeds, ground coriander, garlic powder, and many more spices, with which you can prepare the following 5 meals. Vegetable chili, butternut squash curry with coconut, red lentil dahl with tempering oil, Mexican quinoa, aubergine bake. Nice, that's a good variety. And you can find the recipes for all of those dishes on their website, so please don't print out the recipe cards. Let's save some paper. Besides the selection boxes, you can also order meal-specific spices and ingredients in case you just want to jazz up that one specific dish. In my case, I decided to go with beetroot berry smoothie bowl mix. So, here on the right hand side we have the ingredients you have to source yourself, and on the left hand side is the beetroot powder mix from the Teaspoon Club, which is essentially beetroot powder and maca powder and bee pollen. Both of those should be enough for 10 servings, so essentially you can make the same beetroot berry smoothie bowl up to 10 times. Time to make the smoothie bowl. Okay, so according to the recipe, you throw all of this into the blender together with a teaspoon of beetroot powder, then you blend it, and once done you top it with a little bit of bee pollen along with any other garnish you want to put on top, and that's it. It's pretty simple. That's why I picked it up. So let's do this. Voila! Now it's time for the best part, trying out the beetroot berry smoothie bowl.
Exciting!
That is good. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's everything you need. And to be honest, that's why I really like the Teaspoon Club. You go on their website, you choose a specific dish, You order all of the ingredients and spices you're gonna need for it. They get delivered to your door, then you simply cook it, and you have the recipe online as well. So for someone like me, who is not a very good cook, that's amazing. However, even if you're a pro and you know what you're doing in the kitchen, you can simply order individual spices from half a teaspoon up to a jar refill. So pretty much whatever works for you. I guess that was everything from me, Stefan Dimov, and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Delicious. So good. Honestly, it's amazing. You have to try it.